Welcome to What's Up with DJ Now. Today we're making barbecue pork chops. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. These are the ingredients I'll be using today's video. If you could like my video, I would really appreciate it. It would help my channel. Now we're going to go ahead and start by adding a little bit of oil to the pork chops so we can get a nice coat on them so the seasoning will stick. And I'm going to be using the seasonings that you see listed here, but you can really use anything you want. And I do change it up quite often. But today I'm using Kinder's, which is a really good seasoning for beef, pork, chicken, fish, veggies, anything really. It's a Steakhouse type seasoning, but it's good on all of those things. It's a buttery, really good seasoning. I'll link it in the description if you're interested. You can also get it at Costco. And then I'm going to put on a little bit of cayenne. When you're going to make barbecue rubs, typically cayenne will be in barbecue rubs, so I add it, a little bit of it, you know, give it a little bit of a bang. It's really good. You don't want too much if you don't like hot, but it is a really good flavoring. Now this is a pink Himalaya, or not a pink, it's the combination. It's black pepper, garlic, and salt. I'll link that in the description as well if you're interested. Like I said, you can put anything you want, but this is what I'm putting today. And I'll also link those little spice tins in my link. Those are magnetic and they stick to your refrigerator so you don't take up space in your cabinet. Okay, now let's go ahead and get the Ninja grill set up and going. We're going to turn it on. And we're going to choose grill. We're going to leave it on the high setting. And then I'm going to set this for 12 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and hit start stop, which will automatically start preheating. And it'll preheat for about 8 minutes. I'm new for the Ninja Foodi, so this is the first time I'm making pork chops in it. It's almost ready. You're going to see it come up and say add food soon. And then that's when you'll go ahead and add your food in there. I'm really loving this Ninja Foodi grill. It's an overall great machine for all the different functions it does. Okay, now we're going to open this up. It's going to be really hot. We're going to go ahead and get our pork chops added into there. Then I'm going to season the other side once I get them in there. You can just hear the sizzle. And these are nice, big, thick pork chops. I get these at Costco. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of oil on the other side. That's my Evo oil sprayer. Those are a great thing to have for your air fryer, for anything you need oil for. Okay, here's the Kinder's again. We'll do all the same seasonings on the other side. And a little bit of cayenne. Now see, those are the little spice tins that I have. They're really cool. I wanted to organize my cupboards a while back and take some of the excess things out of my cupboards, and these just go on the side of my refrigerator. They're magnetic on the bottom. I have a video in my list of videos if you're interested in those. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and close it up. And the time is already set once you add the food, so it will continue to go. Now I'm going to flip this halfway. Okay, so we're back now after the 6 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and turn these over. Kind of hard to do at first. Check out those grill marks. That one kept flipping away from me. Didn't want to flip. Now typically you want to cook pork chops to at least 145. I see a lot of people in videos doing it to 140 because they say that they will continue to cook for a few minutes after you take them off. I'm checking them here just to kind of see where they're at. A little while after I flipped them. So they're pretty close. I like to make sure my pork is done. Some people don't mind if it's a little on the rare side, but with pork I don't like to play. So I want mine done. Okay, now I'm going to add some sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce for the last couple of minutes so it can get on there and get all nice and caramelized. Use whatever barbecue sauce of your choice that you like. I like this one a lot, but there's a couple other ones I like too, so I kind of alternate once in a while. This one was almost empty, so it was having to push hard to get it out of there. Just kind of brush it on. Typically you want to add your sauce the last few minutes, of cooking so you can get it all nice and caramelized on there without it burning, but yet kind of charring up like it would mimic the grill outside, your barbecue grill. So I got them all sauced up. And then I'm going to reset the machine for 5 minutes, but it's going to preheat again. So what I did is I just let it kind of use the preheat cycle. I didn't actually cook it for 5 more minutes. I just let it kind of use the preheat cycle to cook the sauce on because the meat was already basically done. Okay, now here we are with the final look. It's done. And the barbecue sauce is nice and caramelized on there and good. Smells so good. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take them out, put them on a plate so that they can rest for a few minutes. Get off that fork. Okay, and here's a close-up look of them on the plate. Don't they look so good? They smelled so good. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get this cut up. I had made some mashed potatoes to have with them. I expect to see Sammy coming any time now, my official taste tester. Now, could these have been a little more juicy inside? Yes. Are they dry? No. But like I said, if you're a person that likes them a little more juicy on the inside, then just cook them a little bit less time than what I did. Remember, I initially set them at 12 minutes. And then I did, the last couple minutes or the last preheating cycle to caramelize the sauce. So if you want them a little more juicy and not as done as what I have, I like them done. Now, they don't look juicy to you maybe, but they were juicy, especially with the outside, and they were perfect for me. Very good tasting, especially with all the seasoning on the outside and the sauce. I was very happy with them. Oh, here he is. Here's Sammy. Here to get his taste. He's such a good boy. All good stuff.
High five. Good boy. High five. High five. High five. High five. Good boy.
So here's some pictures and final pictures of it. Please like my video, it would help my channel, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And at any rate, thanks for watching my video. I really appreciate it, and I would advise you to try this. It's very good. I'm very happy with the Ninja Foodi grill. So thanks y'all, and you have a nice day. Bye bye.